Whether you're a baking enthusiast or just want a quick way to make cupcakes at home, these are some of the most popular cupcake makers on Amazon right now. In this video, we're looking at 5 best-selling models you can get in 2025. All the links to these products are in the video description, so feel free to check them out after watching. Let's get started. First up, the Hullstein Housewares Cupcake Maker. This pastel-colored model can bake 6 cupcakes in just minutes. It features a non-stick surface, handy indicator lights, and a compact design that stores vertically. Perfect for small kitchens or dorm rooms. Next is the Baby Cakes CC 12 full-size cupcake maker. If you're baking for a crowd, this one makes a dozen cupcakes at once. It comes with a piping bag, decorating tips, and a cupcake injector, ideal for creative bakers who want to go beyond the basics. Third on the list is the Disney Minnie Mouse Cupcake Maker. If you have kids or just love Disney, this one's a treat. It makes 4 cupcakes at a time and has a fun red and pink design that's perfect for themed parties or gifts. At number 4, we have the Brentwood TS 252 Cupcake Maker. It bakes 7 mini cupcakes and has a non-stick surface with cool touch handles for safety. It's simple, compact, and does the job without fuss. And finally, the Crocker Cupcake Maker. This one also makes 7 cupcakes and comes with bonus accessories like a reusable icing bag and nozzles. It's great if you want a mix of convenience and classic charm. Which one would you go for? Let me know in the comments. And once again, check the links in the video description to see the latest prices and details on each cupcake maker. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more kitchen gadget picks. We've also covered coffee makers, mini fridges, and more. Check out the channel for other helpful finds. Thank you very much, and see you next time.